Hello. So in about 3 weeks, my eldest teen and I are going on a wild camping course. And before that happens, I need to test out some gear so that I know what pack weight. So I'm testing out this, which is the Big Agnes Rapide SL, but I also need to test it with my new sleep system, which I just bought, which is the Zenbivy sleep system, which I'll show you in a second. I also need to put up this tent and make sure that it's still good. It's really old, like older than me. Actually, no, it's not older than me. I'm not new to wild camping. So my husband and I used to wild camp before our kids came along. So that's like 20 odd years ago. And this was the tent that we bought, which was at its time, at its peak, was like a pretty good tent. So it weighs in at 3.1 kilograms. It is a 3-man tent. I'm not taking it on the wild camping course. I'm going to borrow one of their tents. But the reason why I'm testing it is I need to test out all my gear in the garden in the cold so that I know what layers I need to bring. I don't want to bring too much. So I'm kind of testing like a month ahead of the course so that, I mean, it's colder now, so that maybe by the time I get there, the temperature is going to be more or less the same. In July, it'll be our 20th wedding anniversary. We are going to do a through hike for that. And we will need a tent big enough for us and our 2 doggos. The last time I got this tent out was 10 years ago when I did the Yorkshire Three Peaks. So I have no idea what shape it's in. So that's going to be interesting. I don't even know how to put it up. It's going to be a disaster. Moving on. The next thing I need to test out is this, which is an emergency mini toilet. Once I'm wild camping, because I'm up with a group of people, I'm going to want to go for a wee in the night, but I don't really want to leave my tent. The other reason why I'm testing this out and not just peeing on the floor outside the tent is because I am on my wild camps. I've been bringing my husky with me. Well, he's a pomsky, but he's mostly husky, and he can't be left off the lead. And I know that if I leave the tent, he's gonna proper worry about where I'm going. So if I don't leave the tent, or I'm at least just in the porchway, I can at least go for a wee in the night. So we're gonna give that a go. Next up, hand warmers for the sleeping bag. Apparently this is really good for your feet and your hands to keep you warm, so we're gonna try those. This is a wag bag in case I need to go poop in the night, but also I kind of want to try it for the same reason that I want to try out the pee bag, just to make sure that I can go and not wander far from my tent and leave Cody on his own in the tent, because he'll dig himself out the tent. So I kind of need to do all my toileting right next to or in the porchway of the tent. So this is my brand new sleep system. Our sleeping bags that we had were also 20 years old. So I opted for Zenbivy. I preferred the idea of a quilt because I move around a lot in my sleep and I actually hate the feeling of being restricted. And I also wanted something that was a bit more flexible so that I could use it in the winter and in the summer, because the good thing with the quilt is if it gets hot, you can just stick your leg out. I also like the idea that it has a sheet with it that goes, attaches to your mat. It kind of hugs you in, but without that constricted feeling of a regular sleeping bag. So I've gone with this system. It's supposed to go down to -5 or -10. It's really light. It's a bit bulky, but I could probably do a better job of compressing my sleeping bag. I've just done it really quick. Now I need to go and try and put up this tent. Wish me luck.